What's up, YouTubers? It's Johnny Valentine with Gain Solar. Got my solar hat on. That means summer's just right around the corner. We're currently enveloped in a cloud of dust. That is Georgia. And just got done putting up the rails for this 4.5 kW grid tie battery backup system. So I'm going to switch my camera modes and take you around, show you the project. So here's our panels. This guy wanted LG 350s. These suckers have been sitting out for just one day, and the pollen is just extraordinary. These panels look great. They look like sun powers to me. They don't really have any crystalline. They're not really crystalline looking at all. They look like sun power modules is all I can really say. But these are 60 cell modules. They're LG 350s, and they have a slightly higher voltage than regular 60 cell panels.
Really nice spot. Hi folks.
Engineer 775 here.
We're excited. We've had beautiful weather. Not a good job for us.
One of the goals on this job is to keep the truck from just getting totally exploded by the end of the job. So today, Abraham and I spent most of the day up on the roof. We're gonna have one row of 7 and one row of 6. The Solarc's got 2 MPPT trackers, so it can handle different voltages. It can even handle different arrays that are facing different directions. It can handle 2 of them. There is our solar roof hook. That goes up in the top on the side. You can put it right there if you want. We're cleaning up right now. There's our snapping rack with our solar roof hook. Not using a lot of black rail. I'm just finding that it's easier to just keep aluminum rail, and you can't really see the rail anyway, so not really using much black rail. I'm using black clamps, black feet. There's our solar deck, which I'll show you that later. Maybe tomorrow I'll hop up there and shoot a little video of that solar deck. You can see it, and you can see the wires coming out. So our wires are pretty much clipped in. This one's going to be clipped to the panel, so that's why it looks like it's dangling right now. But what we really love about snapping rack, and I always reiterate, is that there's just not a better wire management system out there. So you're not just clipping wires, you got integrated wire management, which is a beautiful thing. This is the new attachment we're going with. It's a 5/16 threaded shank. This is a 6mm hex head on it, and then this is a stainless screw. It's made by a very reputable screw company, but we're using solar roof hooks now. They got an EPDM gasket bonded to a stainless steel giant 4-inch washer, and it is it dimples in when you attach it, when you suck it down. And these things have been tested underwater under pressure, and they do not leak. And the nice thing about it is you're not going in there and prying up a bunch of shingle, which a lot of the industry seems to be going towards stuff like this. These are building code approved. And this keeps you from getting into these newer shingles. They're going for that 135 mile an hour roof rating, and when they do that, they have this fiberglass strip that really hurts when you have to pull it up. So here we are, packing all our junk into this guy's garage. This is the Solarc, and there's our DC conduit run for our solar.
Shoes are a great compliment.
Yeah, the shoes look good up there. And then we have our battery rack. We're going to have 2 strings of these Trojans. These are 375 amp hour, 6 volts. So we're going to have 48 volts. There's 8 batteries in each string, so it'll be 2 48 volt strings parallel wired. We got our using an external midnight disconnect because the Solarc doesn't come with a battery disconnect, and if we don't use a battery rack with an integrated disconnect, we end up using something like that. All in all, pretty good progress today, don't you think, boss?
Yes. Now we know what we're doing. We can boogie tomorrow.
Yeah. Yep.
Close to finishing it tomorrow.
Yep, that'd be nice. And takes a lot of planning to get ready for one of these jobs. You don't just pull up on the job and start trying to figure it out. How much do you plan? Probably spend a day loading up and planning and ordering, huh?
At least a day on a job. A good day.
So I just want to take a minute and show you guys this project. I know a lot of our projects are kind of looking the same right now, but that's a good thing because that means we're busy. There is our, so we got a transfer switch out here and a generator. There is the grid disconnect, so that's for the utility, and then that's the feed of the solar arc. So the circuit originates in the electrical panel on the other side of this wall, comes out, feeds the solar, goes through this disconnect, goes through here, and then feeds into the solar arc. That's where this thing gets its power, its grid connection, or its generator connection. We don't have the generator plug installed, but it'll go right down there. And this is a transfer switch. Nice little. We use these transfer switches a lot. So that's pretty much it for this one. So this is Johnny Valentine with Gain Solar. As always, I appreciate you guys watching these videos. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I'll try to answer as many questions as I can. Somebody called me at 9 o'clock last night asking me about AC coupling, another installer, and I told him. And thanks for everybody for watching. No, and if you have any specific videos that you'd like to see, Chris, I see your comment there, Mr. Stark. People are commenting on these videos. They're live videos, so I do see your comments, and I will contact you. And we like to show this work so people understand how we're doing it, but also reaching out to people that anywhere, pretty much anywhere in the Southeast, will come put in a PV system if it's the right kind of job and we can agree on something. So thanks for watching. Y'all have a happy fall, and we'll be back tomorrow for a little bit more of these solar tips. Maybe we'll get this thing turned on and show you some other stuff. Johnny Valentine with Gain Solar, signing out.